Welcome back to Raching Cars, your ultimate destination for the latest automotive reviews and modifications. Today, we're diving into the modern modified 2025 Toyota Raize, a compact SUV that's redefining style, performance, and technology in its segment. This customized Raize comes with a bold new front fascia featuring a redesigned honeycomb grille with gloss black accents, paired with aggressive LED matrix headlamps and sequential turn signals. The bumper has been reshaped for a more sporty stance, including carbon fiber detailing and integrated LED fog lamps. On the side, 18-inch black forged alloy wheels wrapped in low-profile performance tires give it a firm, dynamic road presence. The extended side skirts and blacked-out mirror caps further enhance its sleek profile. Under the hood, the modified Raize houses a turbocharged 1.0L three-cylinder engine tuned to deliver 130 horsepower, matched with a reprogrammed CVT transmission for quicker throttle response. A custom air intake system and sports exhaust not only boost performance but give the Raize a deep, sporty growl. The suspension has been upgraded with COI levers for better handling and a lowered stance. Inside, the cabin has been transformed with Alcantara leather seats featuring red contrast stitching, a carbon fiber center console, ambient lighting, and a 10.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A premium JBL sound system and digital instrument cluster elevate the driving experience. Safety remains top tier with the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite, including lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and auto emergency braking. This modern modified 2025 Toyota Raize is not just a city SUV, it's a compact beast with attitude and innovation. For more detailed reviews and custom car builds, stay tuned and subscribe to Raching Cars, where passion meets performance.